Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to schedule auto power on and off on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Then scroll down and tap on task timer. And from here, just tap on scheduled power on off. And from here, just set a scheduled time to power on. Now, just tap on the time and select the time. Just like that. And from here, just tap on repeat days and select on which days you want to repeat. Just like that. And from here, just tap on OK, then tap on done. Now just set a scheduled time to power off. Just tap on time and set the time when you want to power off your smartphone. And tap on OK. And select the days when you want to repeat. And tap on OK. Now from here, just tap on done. Now once you enable this feature, your smartphone will automatically power on the time you set. And it will power off on the time you set to power off. And this is how you can enable scheduled auto power on and off on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.